In this video, I will show you how to delete your system data on your iPhone. So first of all, I just select phone settings and then scroll down and select general and then select iPhone storage, and here I just scroll down. At the end position you can find system data, and here you can see my system data 11.84 GB, and I'm just fine to navigate them and try to delete it. So first of all, I just open messages app and select on the top right hand corner three line and select is recently deleted, and right now select delete option and delete all messages. After that, go back and open your photos app and select collection, and after that scroll down, you can find recently deleted. Simply select it and right now give your face ID and then select, and if you just want to delete all, just select three dot and select delete all. Right now go back and again open your phone settings again, go to search bar and type Safari, and here you can find the option clear history and website data. Simply select it. Right now select this option and select all history and select choose all tab and select clear history. So you just need to wait couple of moments to complete it. So after doing this, you can successfully delete or you can reduce the system data from your iPhone. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.